Nature is the teacher, environment is the classroom. That is the concept behind the forest school, where kids, they come with their parents, they enjoy connecting with nature.
We are here in Weligama in the opening of this beautiful forest school where they combine nature and playful learning.
In these beautiful surroundings here, children can really explore, experiment, be creative, play, and also like wind down and relax.
This is a kids club like no other. This is a refuge for children of all ages to be not distracted with electronic devices, but to be engaged in Sri Lanka's amazing biodiversity, to engage in our culture, our customs, to play with mud, learn how to read the stars, and just to be more responsible global citizens.